Hello to the last video of our 6 week. In this section, and I would like to tell you about the next steps of our course and the next steps in your submissions. In our midterm review this past Saturday, we saw some really wonderful and well-designed presentations as the one of Team Parachute working on the Philippines. So I invite you to look at their presentation as a reference to how to organize the research first, and then later the presentation of your project, and then the visualization of your house. So in your presentation, we would like to see, first of all, the ideas and the concept that you start with. And that means how your design comes out of the approach to resilience, or how it responds to the specific challenges of the natural hazards that are affecting the area that you're working in. Afterwards, we want to see your concept for the house, for the program, for the inhabitation, for the lifestyle of the family that will be in this house, and that is related to the local culture. So remember, if you're building in Japan, it's one thing. If you're building in Nepal, it's a different thing. If you're building in Colombia and Chile or the west coast of the United States, it's totally different thing. So you would need to understand the culture that you're working for, understand the culture where you're building, and thus design a project that is much more related to the local context and to the life of the people who are in the specific area. So from that concept and that initial consideration, we want to move forward into the actual design. And your design is represented by plans, by sections, by 3D models, by diagrams, by interior and exterior views, renderings of your project. So we want to see more of this, and we want to see how you're going to be representing the space of the project, so that it helps us understand your design, and it helps the jury, the final jury of the project, and eventually the clients who will be building this project, how your project would work. So it's very important to be consistent throughout your presentation. Make sure you don't put the early versions of your design. We do remember well what you have presented, and obviously we've been giving you feedback on it. Make sure you only put the last project and the most updated version of your project that you have developed. So with this, I look forward to seeing the next steps of your work. And again, please let us know if we can help you with any feedback or any information that we can provide you with. You have at least 2 teaching assistants that are working with your team, and you have Arnold and myself who will also be giving you feedback in the next days. So good luck with your work, and stay strong, and good luck with your teams. And we really look forward to working with you in the next weeks, and to completing a really extraordinary project that can change the lives of all those people that are affected by natural disasters, and set up a really important precedent on how buildings can be rebuilt better, how houses can be rebuilt better in this case, or how can they be built anew from scratch in a better way, so that when there is another typhoon or earthquake or tsunami or flood, the people in those homes are safe, and the houses are safe, and they protect the people during these disasters, and provide them with comfortable and beautiful living space after those natural disasters. So good luck, and we'll see you soon on our Saturday virtual meetings. Please post your comments and projects and other references that you may find on our forum, and we will be working with you in the next weeks.